Good morning, DAQ Trader. So today is Monday, November the 25th of 24. Nothing really going on today. I logged in, I had a few issues with MetaTrader, mainly with this little chart, but nothing really major. All my systems are locked and loaded, it seems like. This is a new chart, doesn't have anything on it that from before, but everything should be fine. Everything should be getting loaded properly, because this chart I never really loaded any EAs, any bots or anything like that. This one is just my manual triggering chart. In case I want to manually buy or manually sell or whatnot. So that's it. I just woke up like, I don't want to say 10 to 20 minutes ago. The only thing is this chart is not currently really set up the way that I usually have it, but that's okay. Like, I can't go up and down with it. I don't have this axis manipulated to each box being, what did I have it? $5? That is quite the drop. Oh wow, unbelievable, unreal how the rejection was quite the thing here. I've not seen anything like this lately. I used to be able to move the chart around because it wasn't stuck, but this is a new chart, so I'll just have to work with these conditions. I'm not going to be able to, oh, okay, I can do that, but it's not exactly what I had in mind. This is really interesting. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if this move down already happened, but we're about to head back up here. Probably get filled with some orders. I think I had yeah, I could do that. That's better. very slow. Like it seems like there's a lot going on my computer right now. Or perhaps there's a lot of ticks coming through through the tick chart here, and maybe that's why it's so slow. And my MetaTrader is taking up a lot of memory, but even just moving this axis here, I feel like it's really hard. So So now we have both 3 positions filled. And right now, honestly, if it doesn't really go down in my direction here, I'm not looking to stay in. So I got stopped out here with a few of them. You know, perhaps I am a little bit early on that. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. My feed is really slow, really slow. I don't know why that is in like this way, but maybe it's my internet connection. Okay, so we have another stop out here. Okay, now we also have buy limit that we just opened up automatically. going the other way. Let's see if we'll pick up some buy limits. Wow, just took off in the other direction. Look at that. So it would have been a bigger stop out. So me moving that stop to 20 from 40 or whatever it was set at, I believe I have it set at 40, was actually a good move. Saved me half the stop losses. Without even thinking, just moving the script onto the chart really works for me. I was able to move 9 stop losses and shrink them in half. I'm very happy about that. Let's see if the price will come and retest here and turn away. And sometimes these days are like really chop and yeah, so it won't work, but like sometimes it actually just comes through and comes back in and takes off. So let's see. Now we are flirting back with this area here, with this this was the market open. Let's see how far, how deep we will come back in and if we'll bounce back. Otherwise price might just bounce away from here, so without anything. So oh, okay. All right, so we're at the 15-minute mark. Yeah, 15-minute mark of the market open. We still don't have an order. But yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait to see if we'll pick up an order. Usually at the 15-minute, I mark this as a top, and if it goes through, it goes quite hard. Like if it goes by $5, it goes quite hard. But right now I don't have any mechanism really to like get me in. I could manually get in, but I don't really like to, because then it kind of pops through, and getting in at this level, it's already so high beyond the move, and I worry about a fake out, so I'd rather just stay out. And then on the other hand, like I forgot to mention, but on the other hand, if it doesn't come out, then it actually makes it a very strong wall, which is something that I forgot to consider. You see, when there are too many things to consider manually, then you just consider nothing really. Yeah. I got a little distracted, got on my phone there, thinking that, you know, I have everything in check, right? So keep in mind, stay tuned, and don't deviate from the trade. Keep learning. All right, so we have entered our first tranche of trades. That's on the upside. Second. Right, now there's the third here. Okay, we got a pretty solid bounce here. Maybe. Maybe not yet. I don't want to say it's a solid bounce yet, but it's a pretty decent bounce of about $20. And honestly, it's about $40 from the top. No, it's way more than $40. It's about $60, $70 from the top. I'm not used to this chart configuration. It looks a lot smaller. I usually have it spread out quite more. All right, so I'm just gonna make this a hard stop right here. Anything below here is no bueno zone for me, okay? Just because for me, this is a signal, and if it doesn't work out, no worries, okay? I just don't think I want to be putting any, like, this would be a buy zone, a major buy zone right now for me. Okay, so I'm out. So that was it. That was the whole trade, and I'm totally out of it now. Wow, look at it go now. We are actually near the low of the day right now, so I will grab that. I will grab that trade, and I'll take a last gander here because we're at the low of today's move. So, and we did just pound right through real hard. Oh wow, we're still headed lower here. Okay, so we're flirting with the low of today's market right now. It's quite the move. Like, I'll tell you right now, it's quite the move. Like, this is now like $100 move or more. There's quite a lot of stop outs that just happened here for people, for traders. And especially like for me, so. So I definitely got caught on the wrong side today, a few too many times. This is zooming out right now to the 1 hour chart, 30-minute chart also, you know, quite the rejection, came down. There's this gap to fill here, you know, that could happen. That could really happen like right now. I mean, that might be what is happening. And the internet feed is so slow. Look at this, it's just, I went offline right now, so I don't know. Just completely stuck. I'm still online. I know that I'm connected, but okay. What the hell was that? It's 1 minute until 7 o'clock over here, or 10 a.m. on the East Coast. So we still have a few open positions here going long. Sustained quite the loss for today already, but we'll see what happens with these positions here, and then we'll call it a day. All right, so we're totally out right now. We basically, I ended up erasing all of the last week really with today. So it's quite the contrary of yesterday, or sorry, the last week that I traded, but such is trading, and today I really took it on the cheek, so to speak. So that's what happened, and I'll be logging this in, and we'll take it take an educational lesson from this, and I'll also continue to do the rest of the week. And thank you for watching.